Good afternoon, everyone. At the beginning of the class, let us see new announcements. Okay, there are 4 new announcements today. The first new announcement is March 21st, 2022 videos uploaded. Hi everyone, I have uploaded today's class videos to YouTube. Their URLs are Part 1, 25 minutes and 6 seconds, and the URL is this. Part 2, 25 minutes and 9 seconds, and the URL is this. Part 3, 25 minutes and 9 seconds, and the URL is this. And Part 4, 25 minutes and 17 seconds, and the URL is this. Best regards, Wei Zhen. Okay, the second new announcement is Homework 1 problem has been uploaded. Hello everyone, I have uploaded the problem of Homework 1 to the eCourse2 website. The location and the file name are eCourse2 website, multiple input, multiple output techniques for wireless communications. Course content, homework 1, problem 2022-0323.pdf. Best regards, Wei Zhen Liu. Okay, the third new announcement is the slides of Chapter 2 has been updated. Dear all, I have uploaded the newest version of the slides of Chapter 2 to the eCourse2 website. The location and the file name are eCourse2 website, multiple input, multiple output techniques for wireless communications. Course content, slides. Chapter 2, the MIMO capacity formula slides, 2022-0323.pptx. Compared with the previous version, the update in this version includes: first, page 3.1, line 1, underline cloud channel. Second, page 3.1, line 5, site references 65 and 66. Third, page 4.1, line 3, underline information theory. Fourth, page 5.1, line 4, underline landmark. Fifth, page 5, delete the memo. Okay, sixth, page 6.1, line 1, underline mRetelator. Seventh, page 6.1, line 5, cite the reference 70. Eighth, page 7.2, line 6, add a footnote 1 at the end of this line. Page 9th, page 7, delete the memo. 10th, page 8, add footnote 1. 11th, page 10, delete the memo. 12th, page 11, delete the memo. 13, page 13, point 2, line 1, underline instinctively. 14, page 13, point 2, line 2, underline inherently. 15, page 13, point 2, line 4, underline commonplace. 16, page 13, delete the memo. 17, page 14, delete the memo. 18, page 15, delete the memo. 19, page 16, point 1, line 1, underline deduce. 20, page 16, delete the memo. 21, page 121, add a hyperlink, go back at the end of reference 18. 22, page 122, add references 65 and 66. 23, page 122, add a hyperlink, go back at the end of reference 70. Best regards, Wei Zhen Liu. Okay, the last new announcement is the handout of chapter 2 has been uploaded. Hello everyone, I have uploaded the handout of chapter 2 to the eCourse 2 website. The location and the file name are eCourse 2 website. Multiple input, multiple output techniques for wireless communications. Course content. Handouts, Chapter 2. The MIMO capacity formula. Handouts 20220323.pdf. Best regards, Wei Zhen Liu. Okay, next let us look at the progress of the previous class. Okay, in the previous class we have taught to chapter 1 slides, page 245.1 finished. So please open the file of the slides of chapter 1. Okay. And turn to the page 245. Oh, sorry, this is chapter 2. Okay, sorry. Okay, please open the slides of chapter 1. Okay, slides of chapter 1. Okay, and turn to the page 245. Okay, we are talking about the theorems and properties of matrices. Let A be a square matrix dimensioned m by m, and I be the identity matrix with the same dimensions as A. Denote the eigenvalues of A by lambda 1, lambda 2 to lambda r, where r is smaller than or equal to m is the rank of A. It follows that the eigenvalues of A plus I are equal to lambda I plus 1, where I is equal to 1 to r and r equal to 1 for r plus 1 is smaller than or equal to I and I is smaller than or equal to m. Okay, and these are references. Okay, so we have finished teaching chapter 1. Okay, we have a homework for you. Okay, so please see the homework 1. Okay, this is homework 1. The date of assignment is today, March 23rd, 2022. And the deadline is March 30th, 2022. There is only one problem. First, proof matrix theorem section 1.9.2-0 100 points. Okay, let us go back to the slides. Okay, and search for 1.9.2. Okay, and then search O. Okay. Okay, O for any matrix A times A Hermitian, and A Hermitian times A are Hermitian. Okay, so this is a very simple theorem. And the homework is ask you to prove this theorem. Okay, notice I encourage you to discuss with other students. However, if you copy someone else's homework solution, or you borrow your homework solution to someone else for her to copy, your score will be 0. 2. If you hand in your homework after the deadline, your score will be 0. 3. Please email your homework solution to Professor Wei Zhen Liu. His email address is comwliu@ccu.edu.tw. Okay, I have put a hyperlink here. You can click on it, and your computer will open the default email software. Okay, and you can send your homework solution to me. Okay, then next let us go to chapter 2. Okay, please go open the chapter 2 slides. Okay, in chapter 2 we will talk about the MIMO capacity formula. Okay, first is the introduction. In 1948, Claude Shannon. Okay, who is Claude Shannon? Please see the handout. Okay, chapter 2 handout. Okay, not here. Okay, handouts. Chapter 2 and today. Okay. So page 3, problem 1. Who is Claude Shannon? Solution. Claude Elwood Shannon. Okay, born on April 30th, 1916, and died on February 24th, 2001, was an American mathematician, electrical engineer, and cryptographer, known as the father of information theory. Please see figure 1. Okay, this is a photo of a Claude Elwood Shannon. Okay, like this. Okay, let us go back to the slides. Okay, in 1948, Claude Shannon published his famous paper titled A Mathematical Theory of Communications, which was published in the July and October 1948 issues of the Bell Technical Journal. Please see references 65 and 66. Okay, 65, Shannon is the only author, and the title of the paper is A Mathematical Theory of Communication, which is published in Bell System Technical Journal in July 1948. Okay, then in reference 66, the only author is again Shannon, and the title of the paper is the same, A Mathematical Theory of Communication, and which is also published in Bell System Technical Journal in October 1948. Okay, go back. In that paper, he presented the fundamental concepts of what would later become the field of information theory. Okay, what is information theory? Okay, please see the handout. Okay, sorry, where is my handout? Okay, okay, here. Okay, page 4, problem 1. What is information theory? Solution. Information theory is the scientific study of the quantification, storage, and communication of digital information. Okay, if you want to know more about the information theory, you can take the course, Information Theory, which is taught by Professor Mao Ching Chu in our institute. Okay, let us go back to the slides. And derived mathematical expressions for the maximum theoretical data rate that could be transmitted over a communication system without errors. This maximum data rate, called the communications capacity, was derived for a conventional SISO system, that is single input, single output. However, the concepts he introduced in his landmark. Okay, what is landmark? Okay, let us see the handout. Okay, page 5, problem 1. What is landmark? Solution. A landmark is an important stage in something's development. Okay, if we explain it to Chinese, it means 具有里程碑意义的. Okay, so let us go back to the slides. Okay, in his landmark paper provided the framework for generalizing to MIMO systems. In 1999, Emery Teleter. Okay, who is Emery Teleter? Okay, let us look at the handout. Page 6, problem 1. Who is Emery Teleter? Okay, solution. Henry Teleter received the Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Engineering from the Middle East Technical University, Ankara, Turkey, in 1986, and the Science of Master and PhD degrees in Electrical Engineering and Computer Science from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, that is MIT 麻省理工学院. Okay, which is the top one school of engineering in the world. Okay, Cambridge in 1988 and 1992 respectively. From 1992 to 1999, he was with the Mathematical Sciences Research Center, AT&T Bell Laboratories, Murray Hill, New Jersey, USA. Since 1999, he has been a professor at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, EPFL, Lausanne, Switzerland. His research interests are in communication and information theories. Dr. Teleter was the recipient of the IEEE Information Theory Society Paper Award in 2001. Okay, this is it is not very easy, or I would say it is very hard to get this award. Even if you can publish one paper in the IEEE transactions on information theory, it is very difficult. Okay, so he can get the paper award is also very difficult. Okay, he was a program co-chair for the IEEE International Symposium on Information Theory, that is ISIT, in 2002 and 2013, and an associate editor for Shannon Theory for the IEEE transactions on information theory from 2001 to 2004. He was awarded the EPFL H. Polly Teaching Prize in 2005. Please see Figure 2. Okay, Figure 2, it is a photograph of Henry Teleter. Okay, let me tell you a small story. Okay, one year, Taiwan invited him to one of our conference named ITCOM, Information Theory and Communication Workshop, and give a talk. And it is my honor to talk with him about 10 minutes. Okay, it is my honor. Okay, let us go back to the slides. Okay, in 1999, Henry Teleter derived an expression for the theoretical capacity of a MIMO system using the concepts from information theory first developed by Shannon half a century earlier. Okay, please see reference 70. Okay, in reference 70, Henry Teleter wrote a paper, Capacity of Multi-Antenna Gaussian Channels, which is published in European Transactions on Telecommunications in 1999. Okay. Okay, next. This chapter derives the memo capacity. Okay, it is 25 minutes. Let us take a break.